This has been a really great course. I really enjoyed the process of the 5-4-3, and I really feel like Engage ties that in well.
As I look back on my journey in Engage, I'm most proud of myself. I was able to use techniques I learned to push myself personally and professionally.
So I'm just learning my role a lot faster and not holding so much stress at the end of the day. It's just freed up a lot of stress and mental load, not having to have every little thing planned out.
As I look back my journey in Engage, I'm most proud of myself because I was open to the change and I've worked to utilize those tools given to me. And I'm proud of this achievement because accepting change and growth is always uncomfortable.
I'm proud of this achievement because it's not only helpful in my personal life, but to my professional life and to my sales team. It helped us continue to gain the right customers who are willing to spend the right amount of money.
The benefits I received is that I am making progress in my role a lot faster by not over preparing this information and just helping people along the way. It's really opened up space for customer service and the sales team for the brand I'm working in to give them the help that they need a lot faster.
As I look back at my journey in Engage, I'm most proud of myself because I discovered a lot of my leashes, and now I feel like I have the tools to understand my behaviors and be fearless. I'm proud of this achievement because I have more confidence with myself and to be great with my prospects.
My reluctances, I'm most grateful for overcoming. I was always anxious to ask the hard-hitting questions, which to most salespeople aren't hard-hitting, but to me, talking anything budgetary was a huge leash of mine.
I've been able to capture more leads, and I'm not afraid to ask questions that I would have avoided normally. I'm proud of this achievement because it's made me a better salesperson, and I'm able to get to the root of what my prospect is trying to accomplish.